glycerol. Reaction of glycerol. Glycerol formula CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. Okay, so that have two primary alcohol group. Two primary alcohol group and so one secondary alcohol. Primary alcohol group is 2, then secondary alcohol group is 1. Okay, that is a glycerol. So IUPAC name propane 1, 2, 3 triol. Okay, so 3 carbons means root word propane. Propane 1, 2, 3 triol. Okay, so propane 1, 2, 3 triol. Okay, so that is a glycerol. First one is nitration. Glycerol react with concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to form trinitroglycerin. Trinitroglycerin or TNG. Trinitroglycerin சொல்லலாம் or trinitroglycerin or glycerol trinitrate. Trinitrate அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்லலாம். That is a explosive அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்லலாம். Okay, so you know the nitrating mixture. So what is the nitrating mixture? Concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. That is nitrating mixture to form NO2. So here nitration takes place. First reaction nitration. Nitration using concentrated nitric acid HNO3. So nitric acid like write this OH NO2. Nitric acid NO2. Nitric acid like this, right like this. Okay, and concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, you see 3 hydrogen, then 3 OH, 3 H2 water molecule eliminated. CH2 O NO2, CHO NO2, CH2O NO2. This TNG, trinitroglycerin or nitroglycerin, or 1, 2, 3 trinitroxypropane. Okay, next dehydration. You know dehydration means removal of water molecule. Okay, so in this case you see when glycerol is heated with dehydrating agents such as concentrated sulfuric acid, then potassium bisulfite formula KHSO4 etc. Okay, so to undergoes dehydration to form acrolein or prop2enal is formed. Dehydration we see CH2OH, CH2OH. That is glycerol. Okay, you see KHSO4 potassium bisulfite is a good dehydrating agent. So removal of water molecule. So heat removal of water molecule. Okay, you write CH2 double bond C double bond CH OH. It is unstable and stable. Okay, but CHOH. So this double bond is broken, added to hydrogen. Right, gives CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2. That name is acrolein. என்ன சொல்றோம்? acrolein. என்ன சொல்றோம்? acrolein. ஓகேவா? or prop2enal. prop2enal. second carbon. கிளியர்? prop2enal. IUPAC. prop2enal. aldehyde இதனோட ஏரியா. ஓகேவா? next oxidation. Very important. So asking one more question. is acronym. Okay, then oxidation. So glycerol can give rise to variety of oxidation products depending on the nature of oxidizing agent used for oxidation. First one, oxidation glycerol with dilute nitric acid to give glyceric acid and tartanic acid. Glyceric acid and tartanic acid. Dilute nitric acid use பண்றப்ப to give glyceric acid and tartanic acid. Second one, oxidation of glycerol with concentrated nitric acid gives mainly glyceric acid. Mainly glyceric acid. Then oxidation of glycerol with bismuth nitrate, BiNO3 twice, bismuth nitrate to give mesoxalic acid. Mesoxalic acid. Then next, oxidation of glycerol with bromine water, Br2H2O. Bromine water, sodium oxybromide, the Penton's reagent. Okay, so Penton's reagent is important. So what is meant by Penton's reagent? FeSO4 and H2O2. This Penton reagent. Okay, this Penton reagent. Then gives a mixture of glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone. Glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone. This mixture name is glycerose. So one more question asking. So what is glycerose? Glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone. Glyceraldehyde dihydroxyacetone சேர்ந்ததா glycerose அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்றோம். ஓகேவா? And oxidation with periodic acid, that is a periodic acid HiO4 or lead tetraacetate. Lead tetraacetate. ஓகேவா? Pb, that is lead acetate, CH3 COO4. சரியா? சரி, CH3 twice. Lead tetraacetate 4 இருக்கும், Pb4. Okay, it gives formaldehyde and formic acid. Formaldehyde, formic acid கொடுக்கு. Then last one, potassium permanganate oxidation to give glycerol into oxalic acid. Okay, that is there 5 points, 5 or 6 points given. Okay, first step, oxidation. Okay, you see. Glycerol. Okay, it is oxidation to give, first one, oxidation dilute nitric acid to give glyceraldehyde, then tartanic acids. Okay, you see, alcohol oxidation to give aldehyde, CHO, CHOH, CH2OH. This glyceraldehyde name glyceraldehyde 2,3 dihydroxypropanol. 2,3 dihydroxypropanol. 1 2, that is a 1 2 3, 2,3 dihydroxypropanol. Okay, so again this one is oxidation, okay, to give glyceric acid, COOH, aldehyde oxidation to give acid, CHOH, CH2OH is glyceric acid. Glyceric acid. This 2,3 dihydroxypropionic acid. Okay, 2,3 dihydroxypropanoic acid. Propanoic acid. Okay, again oxidation COOH, okay, COOH, CHOH, OH CO இது பண்றப்ப CO CHO அப்புறம் COH that is tartaric acid. Tartaric acid or 2-hydroxy propane 1,2 dioic acid. 2-hydroxy propane 1,2 dioic acid. Okay ba? Okay, next you see first primary alcohol or oxidation solvent. Next is secondary alcohol oxidation. Secondary alcohol oxidation to give CH2OH, that is secondary alcohol oxidation to give ketone, that is C. Okay, that is dihydroxy 1,2, that is dihydroxy acetone common name, or 1,3 dihydroxy propane 2,1, okay, common name dihydroxy acetone or 1,3 okay dihydroxy propane dihydroxy propane 2,1 okay. So again this one is oxidation, this one is alcohol oxidation to give aldehyde, aldehyde oxidation to give acid. So same for next this also aldehyde then acid. COOH COOH, that is mesoxalic acid, mesoxalic acid or 2-oxopropane 1,3 dioic acid, 2-oxopropane 1,3 dioic acid, okay. So that is glycerose. What is the mixture of glycerose? Dihydroxyacetone, mesoxalic acid, இது ரெண்டும் சேர்ந்து தான் glycerose அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay, so pentane reagent FeSO4 and H2O2 hydrogen peroxide. Okay, so then இத திரும்ப oxidation பண்ற சார் KMnO4 யூஸ் பண்ணனும்னா to form oxalic acid COOH oxalic acid or ethane 1,2 dioic acid, ethane 1,2 dioic acid. Okay, you see COOH this is secondary alcohol, the secondary alcohol oxidation to give ketone, so this one is oxidation to give this part. Okay, next uses of alcohols. Alcohols preparation of methanol, ethanol பார்த்தோம், then ethylene glycol, glycerol, இது பார்த்ததோட uses. Okay, first uses of methanol. Methanol formula CH2OH. Methanol is used as a solvent for paint, varnish, shellac, gums and cement, etc. இதெல்லாம் இந்த solvent யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறோம் methanol. Then in the manufacture of dyes, drugs, perfumes and formaldehyde. Okay, these uses of methanol. Then uses of ethanol, it is also used in the preparation of paint and varnishes. Then organic compound like ether, chloroform formula CHCl3, then iodoform. Okay, CHI3, that is iodoform. Okay, then dyes, then transference soaps prepare பண்றதுக்கு ethanol யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். Then a substitute for petrol under the name of power alcohol, petrol பதிலா power alcohol யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறோம் சார், used as a fuel for aeroplane யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறோம் fuel. Then it is used as a preservative for biological specimens வந்து preservative பாதுகாப்பு. Then uses of ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol is used as an antifreeze in automobile radiator. Automobile radiator la freeze ஆகாம இருக்கிறதுக்காக ethylene glycol யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். It is dinitrate is used as an explosive with TNC. Trinitrate நம்ம ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி ethylene glycol ல TNC கூட வந்து explosive யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். TNC means trinitroglycerin or glycerol trinitrate அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்றோம். That is use of ethylene glycol. Then use of glycerol. Glycerol is used as a sweetening agent in confectionery and beverage. சரியா? கூல் ட்ரிங்க்ஸ் இனிப்பு சுவையூட்டி அதுக்கெல்லாமே இது வந்து பயன்படுத்துது glycerol. It is used in the manufacture of cosmetic and transparent soaps. And also it is used in printing ink and stamp pad ink and lubricant for watches and clock. ஓய்வு பொருளாக அது வாட்சில் ரொம்ப யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். Then fourth one, it is used in the manufacture of explosive like dynamite and cartridge. That is explosive by mixing with China clay. China clay mix பண்ணி explosive யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். Okay students, okay, so chemical properties almost over. So that is aliphatic alcohol is over. Next aromatic alcohol, that means a phenol. So two topics is pending in this unit. One is phenol, another one is ether. Okay.